Hi, Aaron. I just want to finish off 4F.2, which is the leftover from last lesson. First question. I know that it was towards the end of the class, so some of you didn't really quite catch it. So I thought I'd just redo it here. Okay. I'm gonna use a different colored pen. Right. That one. So first, to simplify this one, sec A can be changed into 1 on cos. So 1 on cos A, okay? And take away sin A, and then you can change the tangent A into sin A over cos A, okay? And then take away cos A. Yeah. Why we need to do that? Because we have so many different trig ratios, so we will want to keep them as little as possible. That is why we want to change everything into the basic form sine cos, okay? So after we've done that, it is handy to achieve a common denominator, cos A. So the first term still is 1 take away sine square A, okay? And then take away cos A times cos A square, because I want to change the last one into cos A square over cos A, okay? So after I have done that, what I can do is give a bracket here, adding into plus, okay? As we all know that sine A square plus cos A square equals to 1. So therefore, the numerator will become 1 take 1 over cos A, 0. So you can see that if you simplified everything into the basic trig ratio, sine cos is actually quite reasonable. It's not very hard. Let's have a look at the second question, factorize. Basically, even with trig ratio, you can factorize the way we do with other algebra questions. So here, this type of question, you really have to inspect the answer, okay? There you go. All right. And again, you can also use quadratic equation to factorize any trig equations. And again, I think you should inspect the answer directly. There you go. Okay. Let's have a look at these other questions. Simplify. Again, these type of question, I would highly advise you to simplify the answer. Okay, if you can do that, that would be excellent, because you can actually see that on top I can factorize the 2, leaving 1 cos square. Okay, so and then I can do 1 plus differences of squares, cos theta, 1 take cos theta. Okay, and then 1 plus cos theta. Therefore, you cancel that out, equals to 2 take 2 cos theta. Yeah? Or you can just leave as in the factorized form, 1 take cos theta. Okay? Another example, which also you need to be able to inspect the answer directly, plus sine theta. That's the answer. Okay? What you do is you do the same. And then the denominator, you do cos theta plus sine theta, differences of squares. Cos theta, not square, cos theta. Cos theta, take sine theta. Therefore, you cancel these out, will be 1 cos theta plus sine theta. So you can see this type of question, you really just have to be as fluent as possible, okay? So in this video, we have finished 4F2, and then I might make another video for 4F.3, depends on how you go with your homework, okay?